Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today we're going to make egg fry and moong dal curry. So let's get started. So first we have taken moong dal into a pan cooker. We have washed, and into this we're going to add a bit of water. Into this we're going to add crushed garlic cloves, 6 medium-sized tomatoes, onions and green chilies as per your size. We are going to add this. Into this goes a bit of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, now we are going to turn on the flame. We are going to keep the lid and we are going to let 2 whistles come. As you can see, it's all cooked perfectly. Now let us take another pan, turn on the flame on medium. Into this we're going to add a bit of oil. Into this we're going to add crushed garlic cloves. Now let us fry this for a minute. Now into this goes mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, and we're going to mix and we're going to fry this for a minute. Now into this goes red chilies. Now let us mix this too. Into this we're going to add curry leaves, and after some time we're going to transfer this into the dal. We're going to mix this up once. Now we are going to take this into the stove. Put the flame on medium. And we are going to add a bit of water into this as per your consistency. Let us mix this up. And we are going to cook this for some time. And now it's ready to be served. Now let us see how to make egg fry. So let's get started. So first we have taken a pan, turn on the flame on medium. And you're gonna add some oil into this. Now into this goes crushed garlic cloves. We're gonna fry this for a minute. And now we're gonna add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Now we're gonna mix this. And now into this we're gonna add onions, curry leaves and chilies. Now let us add them. Now we are going to mix this and we are going to fry this for a minute or two. Once it is fried, into this goes a bit of ginger garlic paste. Now let us mix and we are going to fry this for a minute. Now into this you are going to add a bit of turmeric powder. And let us mix this up too. Now into this goes red chili powder as per your spice. And let us mix this up. Now we are gonna add one by one eggs. So here we have added the eggs and we are going to let this cook for a minute by keeping the lid. As you can see, we are going to turn this into the other side. Now we are going to let the other side get cooked too. Now finally on top of this we are going to add a bit of garam masala, only a bit. And we are going to mix this up. And it is almost ready to be served. We can garnish this with some curry leaves and it is ready to be served. Enjoy this perfect dish. The dal can be served with puri, chapati or hot rice. Do enjoy this beautiful dish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.